All right, so when it comes to driving, all right, whatever side, whichever mirror has the most of the trailer, you got to be looking all the time. All right, so most of my view right now, I'm just is equal. So I'm looking in both mirrors because I'm trying to squeeze in between two trailers. Okay, so now again watching. Now, as you can see, right now I'm turning to the right, and there's a vehicle right there. Now I'm trying to avoid this guy and him at the same time, so I'm just going to do some skilled maneuvering. All right. I'm not cranking my steering wheel. The path is going to go along this way. All right. I'm very aware, and I'll be watching the entire time with peaks over here to him. All right. And if I am going to hit him, if I do see that the path's going to hit him, I will crank my steering wheel to the left, straighten me up, and then just drive straight, making sure there's nothing avoiding. All right, stop. Simple as that. Always be watching the obstacles that you could potentially be hitting. Okay. Looking good. I missed him. See that? Driving now. I'm driving straight right now. And there we go. All right, let's talk about the space that we're going to go into today. So we're going to go into this space. So what are my obstacles first? All right, first of all, we got this truck. Won't be a bother really unless I overshoot it. But I have these poles here. I'm going to be making sure I'm going to be avoiding, and this trailer. Simple as simple. Okay, so of course I got this truck to avoid too, and I have the entire ditch over here on the right hand side. So as always, I'm going to be stopped at an angle. My trailer will not be parallel, it'll be pointing towards the building, and my truck will be running parallel to the ditch. I like to set up this way, get my steers pointing straight, and then just drive backwards in a straight line, which allows me to slowly jackknife. I'll analyze the situation, alright, making sure we're not hitting the ditch over there. Okay, so I'm going to jackknife this a little bit more here. There we go, just because it's getting in line with the line over here. And I'm going to be chase. I'm going to chase all the way and nothing but a chase. Anything else will be counterproductive. Alright? My next option is either going to be a pull forward or a straight back. It's as simple as that. Now I'm going to stop here like I like to do, and I analyze it. As you can see, I can see the same amount of trailer in this side as I do this side. And I'm missing everything. So all I have to do right now is a simple straight back with little maneuvers. Alright? So let's talk about the front of the trailer for a second. Okay? Remember now, right? Let's forget about this view for a second. All right, this is the kind of view you have if you're sticking your head out the window. So ignore this view right now, and we're going to look in our mirrors. All right. So right now, I want to get my trailer, the front of my trailer, swung this way to the right. Okay. And well, first of all, I'm going to do a straight back because now the back of the trailer. If I want the back of the trailer to go to the left, all right, I will turn to the right. All right. So let's do the straight back for a little bit, and then eventually I'm going to have to. And now, see the way I turned it? And now, of course, we're going to have to chase. Always remember, right, that you're moving the front of the trailer more than the back of the trailer. All right, if the front of the trailer goes to the right a lot, the back of the trailer goes to the left a little. Okay. So anyway, and if you guys want to contribute, and if you're feeling generous, by all means, visit my site. Right now, there's only one page. Well, as of today, of being the 12th of the 12th, 2018. Hopefully, if you're watching this in a year, my site will already be up and running. But anyway, all right, guys, take care and stay tuned for the next video and a 360 version of this. Bye bye.